Hello, how to solve for x in this equation? 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 90. Solution. Then we have 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 90. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m minus n, this is equal to a to the power of m over a to the power of n. This can be written as 9 to the power of x over 9 to the power of 1 is equal to 90. Then let's cross multiply. Here we have 9 to the power of s is equal to 90 multiplied by 9. Let's take the log of both sides of this equation. 9 to the power of s, then we have log is equal to log 90 multiplied by 9. If you have log p to the power of m, this is equal to m log p. Then this can be written as s log 9 is equal to log 90 multiplied by 9. Also, if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as s log 9 is equal to log 90 plus log 9. Now let's divide both sides by log 9. This is divided by log 9, and this is divided by log 9. This will cancel this, this will cancel this. S is equal to log 90 can be written as log 10 multiplied by 9 over log 9, then plus 1. Then this is s is equal to log 10 over log 9 plus log 9 over log 9 plus 1. This will cancel this also. Take note of this. 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. Then s is equal to log 5 multiplied by 2 over log 9 plus here is 1 plus 1. S is equal to log 5 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9 plus 2. S is equal to 2 plus log 5 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. Now also take note of this, that 9 is equal to 3 square. Then we have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 over log 3 square plus log 2 over log 3 square. S is equal to 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 3 plus log 2 over 2 log 3. S is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3. This is the value of x. We've gotten the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 90. When x is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 2. Now here we have 9 to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3, then minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. We have 9 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3. Then must be equal to 90. Here too must be equal to 90. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. We have 9 to the power of 1 multiplied by, this is 9 to the power of 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 must be equal to 90. Now 9 is equal to 3 square. So this is 9 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 bracket 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 must be equal to 90. This will cancel this and this. Then we have 9 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 base 3 must be equal to 90. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Then here we have 9 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 must be equal to 90. Then 9 times 5, that is 45, times 2. 90 is equal to 90, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.